What's up, guys? Bombgardener here. I'm still in Las Vegas, as you can see the beautiful mountain whatever behind me, but we came out here for a Ruroc helmet release, the Atlas 4.0. To my surprise, they actually gave me one for free. They gave me two for free, one for my girlfriend and one for myself. I'm actually wearing the girlfriend's helmet. We have the same size head. She's got a big ass head, but they gave me one as well, and we're gonna unbox that real quick and just like go over some of the features. Not only though did they give me the helmet, they also gave me the freaking shockwave for communication and a pin lock anti-fog resistant lens. So guys, let's open up this box and get into it. First of all, once we get in here, I mean, the packaging is just absolutely top notch. You open it up, you got this beautiful Ruroc sign here. I mean, it's like a freaking experience opening this thing, okay? And helmet in a bag. This is actually the design I got. You can't see through it. It's just a bag, so it's pretty sick. So we open up, we got a helmet, and then of course we have our dark visor, smoke visor, whatever you want to call it. Gave us a sick bottle opener. I don't know if that was just because we're in Vegas or if this is going to be with every helmet, but bottle opener. They also gave us these. During the demonstration, they showed us this is like an insert that you can put into the helmet. It's going to help reduce noise. We'll get into that in a second. And some silica gel packets. It says not to eat, but you know, I've got a flight tonight and I'm probably going to be a little bit hungry, so I might snack on these later. That's it for what's inside the box. The box is sick. Branding is sick. Got the engine hog branding down at the bottom. Overall, I rate this 10 out of 10. Would open it again. All right, first up on the list, we're going to look at the helmet. If you can guess what design I got, go ahead, take a second, go out to the comment section and see if you get it right. I want you to comment what design you think I got. Did you get your comment in? Did you get your bet in? No cheating now. We ended up going with the raw carbon fiber design. One of the Nebula really bad, but they didn't have any. And I'm not going to complain because it was, like I said, totally free. So can't really complain, and I've always liked carbon fiber look. So yeah, raw carbon fiber it is. Before we go into further detail on the helmet, I want to show you what else is in that box. You get your dark smoke visor for free, which is pretty sick. And then these things are actually pretty sick. So let me take one of these out. But these right here, if you push on them, they're like memory foam. And what they're going to do is you're going to take the padding out on the inside, and on the ears, you can Velcro them there if you don't want to use any kind of comm system. And it's going to push it up against your ear, essentially making a cap around your ear. And it's going to block out a lot of that wind noise. A lot of sound reduction whenever you're going to be using these. As far as the helmet goes, I want to bring you guys in a little bit closer to give you guys some more details on this. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, we're up close with the Ruroc Atlas 4.0. Not too many crazy cosmetic differences between this and the 4.0, or the 3.0, sorry. But if you check out the top, they did get rid of all those hideous looking vents. So you just got a nice smooth cap. Which is going to help a lot with the wind noise, because anytime you have anything on the outside of your helmet, it's going to catch that wind and it's going to make extra noise inside of the helmet. So that's going to be a tremendous improvement for sound quality. Those vents really didn't do anything from what I've been told. So yeah, good one, Ruroc. The inside, they did do some improvements, some innovations with the actual foam. The foam does have a very nice wicking material on it. What it's going to do is it's going to pull any moisture from your face and it's going to absorb it in there. If it was trying to deflect it, it would keep that moisture on your face and you would feel that sweat and everything build up and it would just not feel good to you. So instead, they actually, the pads actually suck up the moisture. Also with the pads and the cheek pads specifically, they have made them a little bit larger and they made it out of a different material. I'm not exactly sure what they said, but it doesn't collapse as easy. So this helmet's gonna feel a lot more tight on your face. Whenever you're turning your head, you're not gonna feel it move. A few people that I met up at the actual event did say they even had to size up. However, if you do take out these pads, there are zippers. You can take out the pieces of foam and you can customize the size to fit you perfectly. So whenever you purchase one, you could do that. On the actual cap part, there's their new technology, the Rheon technology, and it's basically kind of like MIPS. It's gonna have better concussion protection. It's gonna help a lot more if you slam and you slide your head. It's gonna help you prevent getting concussions and other brain injuries. Guys, this isn't my type of video at all. I don't do videos like this, so this is kind of a train wreck, but we're gonna get through it because I want you guys to see the new 4.0s before they come out. Get you a little sneak peek. Here's where you can put your shockwave if you get a shockwave. Crazy enough, they did also give us all shockwaves. So if you pop this off, your shockwave's gonna go right in there. And let me grab one real quick and I'll show you. So here is the box for the shockwave. You open it up, they have really nice presentation. You got it all up in there, nice and neat. But if you're using like a center or something, you probably notice that the wires are super long. What's really nice about these is these are obviously the speakers. And you see those wires are super short. They have the wiring built into the helmet, so you don't have to worry about wiring and getting hot spots and having uncomfortable places on your head. This is the important piece. And literally all you have to do is you'll plug it in. So you'll plug it in, you'll put your wires to the side, and then you literally just push that into place. It's nice and in. It's actually held by magnets and friction, so magical stuff right there. On to some more exciting news regarding the shockwave. They are coming out with the chain app. It's not available quite yet, but on February 18th, when this helmet drops, the chain app will also drop. Now what the chain app is it's going to be an app that connects to your shockwave, and it allows you to talk to whomever that you want. You can make phone calls through it. You can actually give out a code, like a link. Say your girlfriend wants that link. You can send that link to your girlfriend, and at any time she can tap into your helmet and say, hey, you know, dinner's done, or get back home, you've been gone for 8 hours straight with the boys. Like, you know, you can communicate through it. But another more exciting thing with the chain app is you're going to be able to talk to anybody with a Senna, with a Cardo. It doesn't matter what they're using. You're going to be able to use that chain app to link up with them and be able to talk to them. No more needing to put on that Senna on the side of the helmet or the Cardo. You can have that nice sleek design, and you're not going to get any wind noise from having one of those devices on the side of the helmet. That's huge news to me because I hated the look of my Senna on the side of the helmet, and I like the look of a nice clean helmet without many obstructions. Obviously I have to have my GoPro on the front, but if that's all I need on there, then that would make me very happy. Guys, that's pretty much my video on the 4.0. Like I said, I don't really do these types of videos. It's not my style. I'd rather get out on the bike, ride, and get content like that, so I'm not really an unboxer or a reviewer. However, I know that this doesn't drop until February 18th, and I thought maybe some of my viewers might want to see a little sneak peek of the helmet before it does drop and before they make the purchase. I'll be riding with this thing tomorrow, the day after. I'm going to be riding with it all week. So make sure you do, if you have any questions, make sure you do leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer that question the best I can. Yeah, guys, so far so good. I love it. Lightweight, and I think it's going to be my new favorite helmet. I've got to get a new visor for it, of course. I got to get that blue iridium. Again, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, only if you subscribe, or else I'll never make a video ever again. Peace out.